Is the Word document that you need to edit in PDF format? Here are easy ways to convert from PDF to Word and start editing. Method 1. Using Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Go to File. Hover on Export to, and then select Microsoft Word. Save the Word document to your desired location. Now, all you need to do is open the Word document and start editing. Method 2. Using Adobe Acrobat's online converter. Simply visit the online PDF to Word tool. Click the Select a File button or drag and drop files. Adobe Acrobat will automatically convert your PDF into an editable DOCX file. Download your converted file or sign in to share it. So these are two really easy methods to edit your PDF in Word. Try these methods now and share your experience with us.